This is Eric Whiteside from Whiteside Tactical Solutions. Come along as we teach our participants the importance of hemorrhage control during our TECC course. All of our hemorrhage control products are brought to you by TackiFlesh. We incorporate the I do, we do, you do teaching method followed by the gradual release model, which is based on the idea of crawl, walk, run. As instructors, we model the skills first and then have the participants complete the skills as we observe. As participants begin to display confidence, they then complete the skills without any assistance with a degree of perfection. If you would like for this to be you, make sure to join us for our next TECC course.
That's what you're looking for. And I forgot, there was a database. I'm sorry, is there a database you can actually confirm that's legit?
You can look up the serial numbers on the back. So it's embossed on the plastic, and then it should be repeating the same numbers on the outside, printed in white.
But some people better than nothing though, right?
No, because if you look online, there's 7 Chinese companies right now making knockoffs of Cat 7. So they come with the gray tab, the whole bit. You hold them next to each other, they look just alike. You start batting them down, the windlass breaks. Super easy, right?
Yeah, so in theory, you think yes, but no. And then would you want a knockoff brand applied to you? Or would you? I would tell you, I'd rather you use a belt. I'm not trying to be funny about it. If you had yeah.
Because even if that thing breaks, you can use the rest of it tied in a tight knot, right? I'm just thinking survival mode.
At that point, when you have nothing else, then yes. Okay. But if you're gonna go out and purchase one, then that's the only time that's when you want to spend money, especially for yourself. You want to, and then please you all, if you're in a situation, let's say the 2 of y'all are out and about yours and one of you get injured, or let's say he gets injured, you have your tourniquets on, do not use your tourniquet, use his tourniquet. Because if something happens to you, bingo. So you use their tourniquet. It happens in combat situations all the time. I'm going, I take my tourniquet, apply it to the person. Something happened to me, I'm done deal. So take theirs every time. Take theirs. Keep yours.
Because I know for us, for training military-wise, and we carry our IFACs on us. I've done that when I got dinged, and I do this. I literally pull mine out to help my partner. Failed. I'm like, for real? You failed me? And then of course of that, he's like, hey, now you're down. I'm like, I ain't got my own tourniquet. Yeah, that man is dead with my tourniquet on, and I'm bleeding out. I can't reach him to get his tourniquet.
Tourniquet is a one-time use. It's a one-time use because you stretched it and it will not go back. So you'll have your training tourniquets and you have your personal tourniquet. Training tourniquet, it's supposed to stretch. It doesn't make a difference.
Not hearing anything. Is he alive? There we go. There we go.
You can use black, blue, or orange, but usually blues are for training. Orange they put on trucks now, on EMS trucks. So as long as you keep one tourniquet just like this in good condition, your other one could be the exact same, but that's the one you can practice on every day. I know it sounds crazy, but my wife will come in and she'll be like, left leg! And I'm like, oh shit, and I'll jump on the ground and try to get it on in 30 seconds. So you can play those games with each other, right?
Let my wife say left leg.
To their right leg. Now they're out of the fight, but yet you have to get them away from the line. Does that make sense? So in this case, no weapons right now. So we're gonna crawl through it just to get the understanding. Then after that, we'll step up to the live fire, but only one group at a time. We'll start down here and we're working our way here for evac. Does that make sense? Okay. So go ahead and pair up with somebody real quick. 25, 26, 27. Hold that arm up. 28, 29, 30, 31. Anyone numb yet? Good. Everybody ready? All right, pull it up. Threat. You gotta use left arm. Threat. Get your weapon, left arm. Anybody have any questions? Everybody's trying to get more comfortable with it. Yes, ceasefire! Host the weapon. A lot of y'all cheated. Y'all notice now. Y'all had to use that right hand, right? How are you supposed to do that? Nope. You better figure it out. You better figure it out. Tourniquet off. But everybody use that right hand. Right arm. 5 1,000. Faster. 6 1,000. 7 1,000. 8 1,000. 9 1,000. 10 1,000. You're bleeding. 11 1,000. 12 1,000. 13 1,000. Once you lock it, raise your arm. We know. 16 1,000. 17. 18. 19.
Took y'all
20,
too long. We passed 30
21,
seconds.
22. I gotta move.
Let's get him.
Good, we're good.
All right.
We're good down range.
Yeah, we're good.
Yep.
Alright, back in.
I don't even want to have my toes lined up. I want to either be separated all the way out like this or off to the side. I don't want to.
Keep that gun up. Keep the gun up. Left leg. Left leg. Three shots. Bang, bang, bang. We don't hear it.